Hello, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir.
Can you introduce yourself?
Hi, ma'am. Hi, sir. Good day. I am Sari Aurelia. I am 26 years old. I am living in 65 Colorado Street, Tatalan, Quezon City. I am a single mother of my child. She is 2 years old. We are three in the siblings. I've got two brothers, and I'm the only girl. I am the second one.
Okay, who's going to take care of your daughter when you go to Hong Kong?
My mother.
Do you have any experience in working abroad before as a domestic helper?
No, ma'am.
How about in the Philippines?
Yes, I've been working in Trinidad Indolman, Bohol. My employer's name is Berhelia Donairi. She's got two kids. The younger one is Ace Donairi, which is 18 years old. The older one is 20 years old.
Okay. How long did you stay in that employer?
Almost more than 2 years.
So you finished your contract with them?
Yes, ma'am.
What are your main duties in your previous employer?
I am doing the household chores and the cleaning. I like cleaning the house, washing the clothes, ironing the clothes, marketing, and also taking good care of their pets.
Why did you choose to work in Hong Kong?
Hong Kong offer higher salary than the other country, and the people living there are nice, and the Hong Kong are known as nice country. And also I want to earn money to save something for the educational for the education of my daughter.
Okay. Do you know how to cook some simple Chinese food?
Yes, I can cook steamed fish, steamed chicken, stir fry vegetable, and the chop suey. And of course, I am willing to learn more.
Are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
How about an elder person?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what can you teach to your employer's children?
I'll teach them good manners, and then I'm gonna teach them how to speak right and to read English.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Of course, ma'am.
Can you give an example, please?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Okay, thank you. Now, what kind of employer are you looking for?
I'm looking for an employer like nice and understanding.
Are you afraid of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
So you're willing to take care of pets?
Yes.
What can you say about yourself, your attitude?
I am honest, obedient. I am hardworking, and I can work in minimum supervision.
Okay. Can you give a short message to your future employer so that they will hire you?
Hi, ma'am. Hi, sir. I hope you will give me a chance to be your helper. I promise to do my duty at my best, and I will do it responsibly. And of course, ma'am, don't worry. I am hardworking, and I'm willing to learn. Also, I'm a fast learner, and I'm gonna take good care of your family, especially if you have kids. I'm gonna take good care of them, and I hope that you will accept my application. And thank you. See you in Hong Kong. Have a nice day.
Can you promise to follow the rules and regulations inside the house?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise to finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Is that all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.